Well, hello guys. So this is the vibration alarm. This is the box of it. This is how it looked, and this alarm is vibration activated, but you can activate it on your bike and deactivate it with this remote, wireless. And I had two pieces of this. Alright, this is the first piece, and this is the second one. There's two different vibration alarm devices. In this one I made a few changes. I took off this the switch here, which turn it on and off. You don't really need it since it's going to go on the down tube. And I took off the LED lamp, which is somewhere over here. And well, actually that's about it. As you see, it's very simple. If I put it near a 9-volt battery, you can see the size of it. Alright, so I'll start doing the modifications now and come back with you. Alright, so we are actually done here. This is the device, and we already connected the wire that goes to the battery, which is this one here, and of course the wires that goes to the part of the corn, which is this black one here, and it goes right underneath the seat in this place over here. So let's give it a try now. Alright, and activate it, deactivate it. So that's about it. Now we're gonna go and place this one into the bicycle. So see you in a while. Alright, so in a piece of wire, which is this the blue one, we mounted the battery down here and the device up here. So it's gonna work like this actually. First of all, we're gonna slide inside the battery. Have a look at this piece over here, which is the distance from the screws and down there. So the battery will remain higher than the screws. See? Right, so I'll slide in the battery. Alright, it's all the way in. And now simple as that. And now let's give it a try.